Have you been wondering what's really going on in the Canyon Crest real estate market? Well, stay tuned because I'm breaking down exactly what's selling, what's sitting, and the key takeaway you need to know if you're thinking about making a move this year or in 2026. Hi, everyone. I'm Leslie Swan, your friendly Canyon Crest neighbor and local realtor. I've lived right here in Canyon Crest since 2010, and I absolutely love helping my neighbors navigate the market, whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on home values. If you enjoy staying in the know about what's happening here in Canyon Crest and Mission Viejo, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, as well as my other YouTube channel, Living in Mission Viejo. A link is also in the description below. It really helps if you support the channel so I can keep bringing you hyperlocal updates just like this one. All right, let's jump into what's happening right now in Canyon Crest. We currently have 8 homes active on the market and 2 homes under contract. One home's listing just expired on Tuesday, and that brings the total to 8 expired listings so far in 2025. We've also seen 2 canceled properties and 1 withdrawn from the market this year. Over the past 6 months, 13 homes have sold and 19 homes have sold so far this entire year. The average home sold in Canyon Crest is around 3,000 square feet with an average list price of $1,798,000. The average close price over the past 6 months came in slightly lower at $1,760,000, and the average days on market for those homes was 46 days. The smallest home sold recently was 2,400 square feet and closed for $1,460,000. The largest property was 3,520 square feet and sold for $1.65 million, although that one was a major fixer-upper. And the highest sale in the past 6 months was $2,150,000 for a 5-bedroom home with nearly 3,200 square feet. As for what's on the market right now, the average list price in Canyon Crest is $2,315,000, with homes averaging about 60 days on the market so far. The average size of active homes is 3,659 square feet, although that number is a bit skewed thanks to a custom home currently listed. Now, here's the key takeaway from all of these numbers, especially if you're thinking about selling your home. Pricing appropriately is absolutely critical. And when I say pricing appropriately, I don't mean adding up the cost of every upgrade and tacking it on top of your purchase price. Instead, you want to price your home at fair market value based on other homes in Canyon Crest that have sold recently and what's currently available right now. Buyers are savvy and they're comparing homes based on size, features, and location, or perhaps view. Getting that pricing strategy right from the start can make all the difference between a quick and strong sale or sitting on the market for weeks, perhaps even months. Another really interesting piece of the puzzle right now is mortgage rates. They're currently at the lowest levels we've seen all year, hovering right around 6%. 15-year loans have already dipped below 6%, and everyone's watching to see if the 30-year rates will follow. Only time will tell, but for buyers on the fence, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. And please always remember the phrase, marry the home, date the rate. This means you commit to the home, but you can refinance whenever you want. Plus, keep in mind that if you're waiting until rates drop even lower, so are a lot of other people, which means more competition and potentially higher purchase prices. If you're curious what your home is worth in today's market, reach out anytime for a complimentary home valuation. And if you're planning a remodel or wondering which upgrades will actually add value to your home, I'm happy to give you my honest opinion. No pressure, no obligation. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and please also check out my new YouTube channel, Living in Mission Viejo, for community spotlights, events, neighborhoods, and just to keep up with what's going on in Mission Viejo. I'm Leslie Swan with the Swan Team Real Estate, your Canyon Crest neighbor and local realtor. See you next time.